Arutwo nimoretio mahimbirie mathomo ma utwarithia wa ndege ona thengia wa mathomo maya gukorwo na marihi ma iguru muno. Akiariria arutwo thukuru-ini wa imwana wa Mang'u, Joe Akech uria wari meya wa Nairobi na uria niwe chairman wa Association of Kenya Ethiopian Friends AKEF augite ati nimanyitanire na University ya Ethiopia Aviation University niguo guteithiriria arutwo aria marathoma mathomo maya guthomera kuo, guku akiuga ati marihi thukuru-ini uyu ni mabacirire.
Ours basically is to promote goodwill between Kenya and Ethiopia. We are working very closely with the Ethiopian community, and recently, through the support of both Ethiopian Airlines and Ethiopian government, we have already signed an MOU with the Ethiopian Aviation University. And I'm made to understand that is the only university of its kind in Africa, which is an aviation.
John Mutahi, uria niwe treasurer wa AKEF na uria wari meya wa tene wa tauni ya Thika, augite ati gikundi giki kiumbitwo ni mayors a tene guku bururi-ini na nimekunyitanira na mayors a thi yothe niguo matigirire mathomo maya ni mathomithanio guku bururi-ini.
Tucoka tukanyitanira na Ethiopian Airlines na tugacoka tukanyitanira na Aviation University ya Ethiopia na rego ya umuthi yuma guka kuonania kiama gitu kia AKEF, Kenya Ethiopian Friends, na unyitaniri witu mwega na Ethiopian Airlines na Aviation School. Umuthi ni twakena ni tondu wa kigomano giki giguthondeketwo, ni tondu ni giatuma student aria megukite ku attend symposium ino ya muthenya wa umuthi mahota kumenya ati thukuru hakuhi muno university ya Ethiopia, some 45 minutes to Ethiopia, a student can have a class.
Peter Thairo, uria ni munini wa mwalimu munene wa Mang'u, augite ni magomeirwo ni mathina ma kwaga indo cia kiriu iria ihuthikaga hari mathomo maya. Niongereire na akauga ati unyitaniri uyu ugukorwo na uguni kuri arutwo kuona ni ugukorwo ugithondeka mieke ya mawira.
Uguo ni tungihoya kono tugie na andu awendi mwega mangihota kuheana indo ikonie aviation, those equipments, apparatus, no tukene muno nigetha ciana citu iria ingenda uhoro wa gutwarithia ndege kana uhoro ukonainie na ndege no mahote gukorwo magithoma subject ino na tukona pilot aingi muno makiuma thukuru ino tondu kwina ciana nyingi muno ikoragwo ikienda guthoma aviation na ni hitukite muno ciena ugi muno na cingihota guthoma raithi muno.
Dickens Magak, uria ni mwalimu wa Kenya Aviation Authority, ni oritie arutwo makorwo makihimbiria mathomo maya ma utwarithia wa ndege na gukiri uguo ni oritie thirikari ikorwo ikinyitirira thukuru iria cirathomithania mathomo maya.
What we'd like the government to do is to identify a few aviation schools in the Republic so that they can be given the proper support in terms of the materials and equipment that they require to do this subject.
Geri Forte, Arutwo TV, kuma Thika.